Hello, I'm Astronaut Alec, and today I'll be showing you how to use functions in Python today. Functions allow us to easily repeat a certain ability multiple times, so you'll be using these a lot in coding. So the first thing I'll show you is the syntax of a function. So you'll have to write the letters def, and then you choose a name. So it can be function name, or print me as they show in the example, or anything that you want to name it. And then for the parameters, we can put in some values that we want to pass into our function that we can, and I'll explain that a little bit later. And then you want to put the end parenthesis and the comma with the two dots. And then you can put your function, and at the end of a function, you'll use the return command and then choose a value that you want to return after that. So their example is def print me, and then you're going to pass it a string, and then it says this prints a pass string into the function. Print string, and then it returns nothing, but you still wanted to return. So then I'll show you how to call a function. So we come with def print me, the one that we just showed you before, and to call it we just say print me, and then we pass the string to the function. So print me, and then he passes the string. I'm first to call user-defined function. And when we do that, it'll pass the string into the function, and then it prints it out below. Okay, now I'm going to show you an example of a function that we can use to add two numbers. So I'll call this add underscore two underscore numbers. And then the first thing we want to write is def. So we'll write def, then our function name, and then the values we want to pass in. X and Y will be our values. And then we want to put the parentheses around them, and then the colon, the two dots above each other. Then we're going to want to return X plus Y. And what this function will do is when we call it, like add underscore two underscore numbers, and then we can pass it two numbers. So for instance, I want 20 and 2000 added, and then we're gonna save this to a variable named final underscore number is gonna be equal to add two numbers, and then we're gonna print the final number. And when we do this, we'll see below that it'll print out 2020. Oh, it says that we have an invalid syntax. And if we look at it, it says add two number. Oh, it looks like I put a space here, so we'll just get rid of the space. And it looks like I forgot an S. Sorry about that. And then we'll add it in 2020. So that's one thing they want to make sure, is that you use the exact same name as you write up there. Otherwise you'll have problems. But we can write a function to add two numbers, and we can also write one to multiply two numbers. So this one will be called multiply underscore two numbers. And this will be X comma Y, and this time we're going to do it a different way. So we're going to have final value is equal to X times Y, and then we'll return the final value. Now I show you this, but I think that this would be inefficient, so we're going to return instead immediately what our value would be, because that's just efficient code, and that's what Python's about. So it'll be X times Y, and then that'll multiply our two numbers together. So now if we want to multiply out, and to be efficient, we can print like this: print multiply underscore two underscore numbers, and then we can multiply 100 times 5, and print that out, and we'll see 500 is printed out. So that was how you use functions. Please leave a like and subscribe for more Python tutorials like this.